Hey everyone, JJ Cagle here. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create shortcuts in iOS 14. So a shortcut is basically a conditional program thing. So if this happens, then execute this action. So how we can do this, we can go to Shortcuts, open up the Shortcuts app, and then we can hit the plus button up here in the top right corner. We'll hit plus, and then we are going to add an action. So we want this to record a new voice memo. We'll pick record a new voice memo. You can pick whatever you want. And then we can hit next. We can name this shortcut record voice memo and done. And now we can add this shortcut to our home screen using my using widgets. Check out my video up in the top right corner to learn how to do that. Or we can ask Siri to run this shortcut by saying the name we set it. So we could say Siri record voice memo, and then she would run that shortcut. Or we can come into the Shortcuts app and tap it, and that will also activate it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. Please subscribe.